Good afternoon, dear friends. Once again, welcome to Mahanadi Time Productions. This is Sambalpur Road Railway Stations, 131-year-old railway stations. It has been inaugurated in the year of 1819, 1st August, and the first train was started from this route on that day from Jharsuguda to Raigad. These stations has three platforms and staircase, and this is the most important railway stations of Sambalpur city. Most of people, most of 75 to 80% people depend on these railway stations as it is the heart of the town. But now the central government, the railway authority decided to close down this door, and accordingly the ticket booking center already been closed. The local representatives, the MLA of this area, namely Jainaram Mishra and our Sansad Nitish Gangadip, they should raise their voice. But till today, they remain mum on these issues because they are indirectly supporting the shifting of the stations. And if this station will be shifted, the people of this area, basically the people of Sambalpur, hard posh areas people will suffer. And one type, the railway authority compelling the people to go to Sambalpur stations and started their journey from there. It is one type of injustice to these people because it is the one of the oldest station having 131 years, but railway authority intentionally, due to the weak representations of our MLA and MP, both have no voice against this injustice. So the railway authority dared to close down the ticket selling counter, and now people are compelled to purchase the ticket from Khetrajpur station, that is Sambalpur station. You see, this is the booking earlier, this is the counter that has been closed down. And the important thing is that this is the station, and in this station there is a nearby, there is a college, one of the ancient college of this area, Gangadhar Meher College. Now it is university. But the railway authority ignoring everything, and due to the weak reputation, political representations, and due to the mom of our MLA and MP, the railway authority, they are to shifting these stations by assigning unnecessary reason. Though there are a lot of areas of railway, if they want, they can extend it, the lining of these stations. The railway authority should be aware. If the people of this area become irritated, as there is a lot of resentment is there, so we urge on behalf of local people, let the railway authority be kind enough and should not shifted these stations to any other place. Thank you.